Hi, it's Hashreset, and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Google Pixel 5. So first scroll from the top and open the internet. Then disable the Wi-Fi and enable it back on. Wait for your networks to load, and then we will try connecting with the network. Then click this gear next to it, disconnect and forget. And now find your Wi-Fi again. Or first we need to, okay. Now type in the password. And if you still have any issues, then try restarting your phone and the router. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.